Hello, my name is Alex Johnson. I will be in charge of running American Studies Online Edition this year. Really excited. This video is just going to introduce myself to you a little bit and introduce the class to you a little bit. If I can get my slides to work. There we go. So the units of study we're going to be doing. Mainly, we're going to be examining what it means to be a historian and how historians will take different narratives and sources and pieces of evidence, kind of combining it into a cohesive narrative of our country. We are starting with westward expansion, and we're going to move forward from there, looking at the big moments in our history that made our country what it is today. So some of those being Civil War, the Industrial Revolution, both world wars, of course. We'll be looking at civil rights era movements, Vietnam War, and we're going to basically see how far we can get into the year. It always kind of varies year by year, so we'll see. Important class information. Everything that students will need should be found in Schoology. We are going to be doing a mixture of asynchronous and synchronous lessons this year. So some weeks we'll have multiple WebEx lessons live, and other weeks we maybe won't have any. Everything will be laid out in a weekly format. So instead of Monday, do this assignment, Tuesday, do that. It's going to be week 1, week 2, and students will be able to work at their own pace as long as they get things done by Friday. I will be hosting office hours every Wednesday at 7:45, or if that doesn't work for any particular student, they can always contact me and we can come up with a separate time for them. I'm pretty flexible, so all they have to do is reach out. If any of you have any contacts or questions or concerns, please reach me either via a Schoology message or through my district email, which is written right there, ajohns4@district16.org. Really excited to be hopping into this school year with your student, and yeah, it should be great. Thank you much.